Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. So today I have made a fantastic banana bread, but not your average banana bread. I have made a Pina Colada banana bread. Let me show you. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so good. It has pineapple, it has coconut and bananas. It is moist, it is flavorful, and it is so delicious. You have got to try this one. Okay, so now let me go over the ingredients that you will need to make your Pina Colada banana bread. Okay, so you will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, 6 tablespoons of butter, 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup of a shredded coconut, and this is the sweetened, and then 1 cup of crushed pineapple that I have squeezed out as much of the juice as I can, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of rum. This is optional. You can also use rum extract as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add my bananas to a large mixing bowl, and then I'm going to mash them. And I'm just taking a fork to mash the bananas. Okay, after you have mashed your bananas really good, then you can add your sugar or your sugars, your white and brown sugar, and your butter. And make sure your butter is softened. And then I'm just going to take my hand mixer and blend this together. And then I'm going to add my egg. And I'm also going to add my rum and my vanilla. And yes, it is okay if your butter looks a little clumpy, that is fine. So to my flour, I'm going to go ahead and add my baking powder and my baking soda. Give them a good whisk with my fork here. And then I'm going to add my flour mixture to my banana mixture, my wet mixture, I should say. Give this a good blend. All right, next I'm going to add my coconut, and I'm also going to add my pineapple. Okay, I'm going to take a rubber spatula and kind of go around the sides and just scrape them down just to make sure everything is nicely blended. But this is looking good. All right, so next I have my loaf pan here, and this is a silicone loaf pan. Don't judge me because I know it looks pretty rough. I've had this for a very long time, but they're really nice. You don't have to spray them. So I'm just going to add the batter to my loaf pan. All right, now I'm just going to spread this out evenly in my loaf pan. The last thing I'm going to do is I have a little bit more coconut here, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more on top. This will make it really pretty. Now I'm going to bake this in a 325-degree oven for about an hour to an hour and a half. It just depends. I'm going to do a toothpick test, check it periodically, and when that toothpick comes out clean, I will know it's done. All right, looks done. So my pina colada banana bread is done. It has been cooling for about 30 minutes, so now it is time to take it out of this loaf pan and cut into it. But check this out. Check out how easy it comes out of this silicone pan. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It smells so good too. Oh my. This is absolutely delicious, guys. This banana bread is so good, it's gonna knock your socks off. I'm not kidding. By adding that pineapple and the coconut, it just makes a normal banana bread, takes it to a whole nother level. This is definitely a keeper. I really do hope that you give this a try. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.